Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to do that new album trend on TikTok. So pretty much your end product is going to look something like this. Now, this isn't even that great. It took me like 10 seconds to do it, but this is pretty much what you're going to get at the end product of doing this. So before I even get too far into this, obviously you guys have to follow me on TikTok. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm trying to get some more clout on here because I don't promote it enough. But to get started, you do have to download a couple of apps. So this will work on an Android or iPhone. It really doesn't matter. But you need two specific apps. You need Pixar and you need Video Leap. So let me go ahead and show you these apps. So Video Leap is this one. This is the app that I'm pretty sure everyone is probably getting ads for a lot on their TikTok. Now this next one is called Pixar, which I'm sure most of you already have downloaded as well. So as long as you have those two apps, then you're pretty much set. Now this next part is the part that really takes up the most amount of effort, and I can't do it for you. You need to find just need to find several videos that you can go ahead and take a screenshot of and then post it as its album cover. So my example was really bad because this isn't my personal device, but this is pretty much what we're doing. We're taking a video, we're going to screenshot a portion of that video, we're going to crop that screenshot down to make it look like this, and then we're pretty much just going to do the same thing for multiple other videos. If you have seen the album trend, then you pretty much know how this specific trend goes. So your quality of the video is only going to be as good as the quality of the specific videos that you just put in. So as long as you're good with that, then we're set. So what you want to do at this point is open up your gallery app. It can be any gallery app on Android, iPhone, it doesn't matter. And you want to find those specific videos. So in this case, I went ahead and just screenshotted this stupid video I took a while ago. So all you had to do is just scroll over and find the specific portion of the video that you want to highlight in your specific TikTok. So in this case, I went ahead and used this image. So I went ahead and literally just screenshotted this. And then I went ahead and found another video that I don't even remember where it was, but I went ahead and screenshotted that specific video as well. So I think it was this video right here. I went ahead, just screenshotted towards the end, and I just screenshotted it right there. And then that pretty much are my screenshots. Now you can go ahead and do more of these if you want to, but in this case, I just took two of them. Now what you want to do next is we're going to import those into PixArt. So what we want to do is we want to go into our PixArt app. So I have it right here so you can search for it. So we're going to want to go into PixArt just like this. It's going to take a second for it to probably open. As you can see, it keeps telling me to log in, but I don't want to log in. Go ahead and exit out of here. Now what we want to do when we're on this panel is we want to go ahead and click this little plus button. And then what we want to do is we want to look for the drawings specific tab right here. So as you can see drawings. You want to go ahead and scroll over to the side and click pick a canvas. Now what we want to do is you can go ahead and choose a different color if you want to, but in this case everyone seems to be using white. So you can go and just use white. Now at this point what you want to do is click this next arrow up there and you have a blank canvas. Now this is perfectly set. This is exactly where we want to be. So what we want to do now is before we even add an image here, you want to go back into your gallery and you want to find that specific photo that we just had. So this one, for example. Now when we go ahead and put this over this specific canvas, it's going to pretty much take up, and it's not going to be like that square type of thing that we're trying to go for. So what we want to do is we're going to crop this specific screenshot down, and if you're on an iPhone, you can click edit, you can go and click this crop thing. Almost every single Android phones that came out in the last 5 or 6 years has this capability too. You just kind of have to just click edit, go and click this crop section right here, and you want to crop it down to the specific area that you think is deemable for an album cover or whatever, whatever that trend is. So let's just say this is an example. Again, this is a really bad example, but you want to go ahead and just crop it down. So crop down this image. Then what you want to do is go back into your PixArt app and you want to go ahead and add this image. And in order to do that, you want to go and click this little add image down here. You want to click photo, which is right here. And then you want to go ahead and add that image that we just had. So typically it's one of these first ones. I think it's this one right here. And you'll get into this little thing. So all you have to do is make this a little bit bigger. You can position it up. I'll go and just keep it right here. And we're pretty much halfway done with the image. So all we have to do now is go ahead and click on this little thing that we just did to add photos, but instead we want to add a sticker. Now we're going to add that parental advisory, whatever that thing is, little thing. In order to do that, you want to click that little search bar up there and you want to search up advisory. So just search up advisory just like how I did it. And you can take either one of these stickers. I just took the first one. It'll go ahead and plant it right there. You can go and shorten it down a little bit. And then that's really pretty much all you have to do. Now, typically most people will save the image. I sometimes just screenshot it and crop it down later, but you can go and save it. Just click these three dots up here, click save image, and the image will now be saved in your specific gallery app. So you will see that right here, we now have this specific image. So we're pretty much almost done. All we have to do now is go into the other app that I mentioned earlier, and you have to keep doing this. So do this same process for the other images that we just did. It really shouldn't take too much time. It just, you have to crop down the image, then you have to just post it over and then paste this parental advisory sticker right there. You can rewatch this you can rewatch what I just did, for every single image that you want to do. But that's pretty much how you do the image part. Now, in order to get into Video Leap and actually edit the video up together, you want to go make your way over to your Video Leap app that we just did. And this is pretty much what we're going for. We're going to paste a video, okay? Then we're going to post that photo. Then we're going to go ahead and post that next video. And then we're going to go ahead and post that next photo that corresponds with that, specific photo. So that's pretty much what we're going to go through. Now we'll go ahead and start from the beginning. So once you get into the Video Leap app, you just want to go and click this plus button right here. And now we want to just bring in every single video and every single image that we want to go ahead and put in this trend. So in this specific case, I honestly don't remember which video it was. I think it was like this video, for example, and then I believe it was this other video as well, so this one. And I also want to go ahead and bring in those images as well. I might as well do it. So this is the one image that we made, and then this is that other image that we just made as well. But again, it's going to be different for you, so just kind of bring in whichever images that you have. Then you want to go and click Add to Project. Now at this point, you'll pretty much see this specific thing. Now it's probably not going to be exactly like mine, but all you really want to do is at least position your photos in the right spot. So in this case, I know that this photo corresponds with this video. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this little video up just by dragging it, holding it down, and drag it to the beginning portion right after this photo. So you can see this video corresponds with this video, and then this video corresponds with this photo. So now what we want to do is we want to correspond the screenshot to exactly where this photo kind of left off. So right here, it doesn't correspond with this image, but this little area right here does correspond with that image. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and split this little portion right here. So what we're going to do is go and click on this little thing right here. You want to go and click split, and then you want to go and click on this little option right here, and you want to hold it down, and you want to drag it down and delete it. So now we have a video that will pretty much look like this, and then we have this video which will go ahead and kind of look like this. I guess you can kind of leave it, but you pretty much do the same thing for every single other video at this point. Now at this point, you'll have probably like a longer video than I do. So again, just kind of repeat and rinse and do the same thing over and over again. So at this point, all you have to do is click export. Once your video is done, again, I think the max this video can be is 20 to 25 seconds. So you probably should correspond with that specific thing. But at this point, all you want to do is click export, and you want to go ahead and click save. So save out that video. It's going to go ahead and export that specific video out. And at this point, all you have to do is make your way over to your gallery app and just verify that that video is saved. So as you can see, that video is saved. Here's that specific video. So we're pretty much set. All we have to do now is make our way over to our TikTok app. We want to go and click this plus button. Now there's a couple of different options that you have. You can either upload the video just by clicking literally upload right here, and then, clicking the video which we have, which is right here, and then clicking select or next, and it will go ahead and upload that exact same video right here. You can go ahead and click next right there, and it will pretty much do the same thing. But on top of that, you can actually go ahead and click sounds and find that specific sound. I think it's the high power new devil in a new dress or whatever, remix or whatever. So just go ahead and search for that. So it's probably best to find that specific audio, but that's really pretty much the process as of this point. Make sure you just, add the specific song to the background of it, but that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.